My name is Chinaza Julian, a 400-level student of Department of Crop Science, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. People will wonder, why do I choose crop science out of all courses in the university? Well, we all care about what we eat. First, I get into crop science because I wanted to save human beings in what they consume. In the next 2050, it has been researched that the food production will be low because there is an increment in human population. But as this reason, my core value of studying crop science is to save human beings by through what they eat. And this is done by crop science. That's why I get into crop science. And again, in crop science, you get to learn a lot of things, like the selection, improvement, and the production of crops that will be of great benefit to human consumption. And not only crop science. In agriculture, we have to do other interdisciplinary courses so as to get ourselves well accustomed with the things going on in the world. For example, we get to learn about animal production, agricultural extension practices, agroeconomy, soil science, even food science and technology. And this will help us to balance ourselves in the core value of agriculture. In agriculture, we have to study what is called precision agriculture, thereby making use of different technologies. Before we make use of handy tools for our farming, but now is that extend to what is called mechanized farming, which helps us to produce a more accurate and efficient crops with less or minimal metallic residues in what we consume. In crop science, we've started doing so many other things, like we started polyploidy application in what we produce. Like recently in the department, watermelon was produced in huge size without seed, thereby increasing the rate at which genetic modification have occurred in our crops. And also in animal science, there is this research recently going on in our local farm to increase its body weight and its size, so that at least the protein content of the fowl will be of increase. So why not study agri, whereby you can save human beings what they eat and thereby reducing the rate of chemical residues in human being body. Thank you.